Tolulope. PDP Senate Caucus affirms unity despite rising defections. Amid rising concerns over recent defections, the People's Democratic Party Senate Caucus has affirmed that the party remains united and steadfast. At a press conference after Tuesday's plenary, Senate Minority Leader Senator Abba Moro, together with other PDP lawmakers, emphasized that the party continues to be the strongest opposition force in Nigeria. PDP senators gathered at the Senate Press Center to reassure Nigerians that despite recent challenges and the defection of some members to the All Progressive Congress, the party remains solid and cohesive. Senator Moro, the caucus leader, expressed confidence in the reconciliation efforts led by former Senate President Bukola Saraki. He assured that the committee tasked with addressing internal grievances would work diligently to restore unity within the party. He urged all PDP members to stay committed, underscoring that despite its difficulties, the PDP remains the party to beat. Additionally, Senator Moro noted that the PDP is capable of forming coalitions when necessary to strengthen its political position. To date, three lawmakers from Kebbi State and one from Delta North have defected from the PDP to the APC, alongside other defections from various political parties. Thank you for listening to Flip TV News. Do enjoy the rest of your day.